3 ways to use Instagram stories to gain confidence on camera. Instagram stories will last for 24 hours. This means you get to practice all of these little techniques and practice being on camera without it being there forever. And on the plus side, if one of them takes off and gets a lot of good reactions, you can actually download that and upload it as a reel. Number 1, confidence comes from comfort. So the more that you practice this, the better you will get at speaking on camera, the more comfortable you will feel. Then it just becomes easy to do it. Think about it like driving a car. You wouldn't expect to just jump in the car for the first time ever and then just drive it. You need someone looking at you and teaching you exactly what to do. But now you can probably drive to the coffee shop, get your coffee and drive to work without even noticing you did any of it. You build comfort by repeating the thing over and over again so that you get used to it, get better at it, and stop worrying about the mistakes that you've made and probably will make in the future. Number 2, you get to test out content. Knowing that it's going to disappear in 24 hours takes the pressure off you. This means you can speak about any subject that you want, especially if you're passionate about a few different things. You can speak about all of them, which gives you the opportunity to find out what really sits with you when you talk, what resonates with your followers, but what you're comfortable and happy talking about. And number 3, learn to understand analytics. Whenever you use stories, you're going to get a lot of different feedback. You're going to see how many people clicked forward, how many clicked back, how many paused. You're going to see what demographic is actually watching your stories. You're going to see the interactions that those people have, and you'll even see if people have reached out to you. You can use all of this as positive reinforcement. Here's a few quick bonus tips to help you with your story. Make sure to practice looking at the lens rather than looking at yourself. Whenever I look down here, it's kind of off-putting because I'm not looking you in the eye. And when I look down the lens, it looks like I'm talking to you and trying to connect with you. Use the hands-free option and timer so you can settle yourself and be ready to start, rather than pressing the button and then trying to rush straight into it. And finally, add stickers and captions just to elevate the video that little bit more, and music if you think it will fit the video as well. This gives you the opportunity to stand out a little bit more and practice a little bit of editing. Speaking of editing, if you want to become a better editor so that you can make better content for your followers and your programs, then subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comments below if there's anything particular you would like me to touch on.